I have a little checklist here for you. You want to review your clicks, impressions, click-through rates, and average position regularly, at least I would say once a month, if not more often. Identify those top performing queries and your top performing pages. Check your click-through rates for any improvement opportunities. Where can I do something a little bit better to get better click-throughs? Maybe move a button up somewhere, maybe have a form somewhere. Compare your performance across devices like desktop versus mobile. I don't worry too much about tablet these days. It's such a small percentage, but desktop versus mobile is really good to look at. Analyze country-specific information. If you are lingual, or you have multiple locations throughout the world, or you're getting traffic from international locations, then definitely go for that. You review your search appearance too. You can see things like rich results, video, FAQs if you like. Use the date comparisons to track trends over time. I told you I like to do 3 months over the last year's 3 months, month over month. You can spot declining queries or pages and update content. So if you're seeing things slipping, you're seeing your lines, your colored lines going down, what do you got to do to fix that? Focus on the queries with a high impression but have low clicks, right? There's a lot of impressions, but low clicks means that there's opportunity that you might be missing out on. What can you do to build that opportunity, to build that expertise, to build more links, to build more content? Um, to update titles and descriptions to take advantage of that high impression phrase that somebody typed in. Remember, those keywords that you see there, these are the terms actually typed in by a user on Google where you have the potential to be found or be seen. It's not the only words people are typing in, but these are the ones where your site showed up somewhere in the results. Again, it could be all the way out at the end. If I scroll over, here's where you can see the position now versus last year.